The mission of the civil and environmental engineering profession as a whole is to provide a healthy and useful built and natural environment for people to live, work, and play in.
My focus is in transportation engineering, or I think of it as, the veins and arteries of the human civilization. It is one of the most useful metrics of development to look at how developed or underdeveloped the place is. So I think by being, a civil engineer focusing on transportation, it really gives me the opportunity to contribute to that.
I love that engineering is really focused on the application. You're looking at, okay, what problem does this community have and how can I be part of solving it?
Students that come to our program get to work on real-world projects. They get their hands dirty, whether that's actually their hands dirty working in the field, or that's working with mentors on real-world projects.
We've been involved in a lot of real-world work. We were involved in Flint, Michigan. We've been involved after flood disasters and hurricanes. My work has focused on antibiotic resistance and wastewater, and more recently looking for COVID-19 RNA in wastewater. So looking at what problems the society has right now and how can we help prevent those.
People want to be a part of something bigger than themselves. And our department provides ample opportunity for a transformative experience to grow into the civil and environmental engineering profession and to pursue your professional goals.
A lot of our research focuses on increasing the resilience of our infrastructure to natural disasters. And this is research that's addressing the biggest challenges for our profession. The top students from around the world are interested in working on problems that are challenging and that are meaningful.
Our faculty have expertise in a variety of areas and are innovators in computational modeling and data science, but also the social sciences. We'd like to know how people interact with infrastructure and how it impacts their lives.
There's definitely a lot of breadth in civil engineering, and I think that starts from the areas of focus. We have structural and geotechnical, we have environmental and water resources, we have transportation, so the opportunities to explore different areas in the program gives you the opportunity to find something that you really want to do, and I think that's a great plus.
What we teach in our program, how do we build highway systems or build transit that work together with stormwater systems, with utility lines? How do we do these things in ways that co-benefit each other?
Our program has benefited greatly from having a very diverse group of students that help us create knowledge, but also create the workforce that is needed to provide the services that society requires.
Students often get involved with a variety of different load tests of bridges across the Commonwealth, from long-span bridge like the Varina-Enon to smaller old arch bridges in coal country. See how they respond to ever-increasing loads to make sure that they're going to be able to safely carry the very large coal trucks that cross them.
We invite you to join us on our mission to renew and recreate the infrastructure of the built environment.